If you're in the market for a new set of key fobs for your Chevy Silverado, Colorado, GMC Sierra, or GMC Canyon ranging from the years 2014 to 2019, you might have come across the 2X new replacement keyless key fob remote compatible with these models. These remotes, complete with the FCC ID M3N32337100, are designed to replace your original car keys and come fully equipped with all the necessary electronics, making them ready for immediate use. What's particularly appealing about this product is its compatibility with a wide range of part numbers including GM135777770 and others, ensuring a broad fit for various vehicles within the specified range. One of the standout features of these remotes is the inclusion of all electronics, which means they're tested for quality assurance before shipping. This is a crucial aspect because it guarantees that the key fobs you receive are functional right out of the box. The package includes 2 keyless remotes and 2 keys, providing a complete set that can replace your existing car keys. For those who like a bit of DIY, the key comes with access to DIY programming instructions as long as you have one working key. This could save you a trip to the dealership or locksmith, provided your vehicle doesn't fall into the two. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.